In the last video, we unboxed the printer. Now we're going to assemble the printer, starting with selecting the 110 voltage for North America usage. The next step is to install the gantry to the base. Looks like it takes 8 M4 screws, 2 on the right side, 2 on the left side, and I'm guessing a couple at the bottom and a couple on the bottom on this side as well. I'm going to install the screws. To install the screws at the bottom, I'm putting the printer base on a counter so I can access it from under, so I don't have to tilt and put pressure on the gantry. Now repeating the step for the 2 screws on the other side. Just make sure all the screws are tightened down. The next step is to attach the screen to the base. So I connected the screen and now we just need to slide it in. Now we are at the back of the printer. We need to connect this black cable to this one. Now this one to the motor. This one will go to the extruder. The cable midway is going to go to the sensor, and then we have another motor cable that needs to be connected. Now that the printer is wired up, we need to install the Teflon tube between the extruder and the filament runout sensor over there. We need to secure the cable with a zip tie. There's an included shroud that needs to be clicked in place. Got the zip tie. We're going to thread the Teflon tube through these 3 connector pieces and connect them to the extruder wire. Now connect the power cable. And the last step is to assemble the spool holder. Remove the sticker and the printer is assembled.